Jeff here at Gravel Casual Bikepacking. We're starting day 2 of the Katy Trail tour. We have about 55 miles today. Currently in Windsor, Missouri. We'll ride down to Clinton, Missouri, which is the beginning. Then we'll backtrack, we'll come back through Windsor, and our final destination will be Sedelia. The Katy Trail starts in 3, 2, 1. You have to go that way 237 miles to the end of the Katy Trail. Here in Clinton, Missouri, start of the Katy Trail. First trailhead of the day. Next town is Calhoun, 9.4 miles. See you there. Just leaving Calhoun. Next town is Windsor, where we started today. 7.2 miles. See you there. Just leaving Windsor here, had lunch and a little rested up. Head to Green Ridge next. 8.8 miles. See you there. The next stop is Sedelia Fairgrounds, where we'll be staying the night. About 7 miles. See you there. Finally made it to the campground in Sedelia. Got a nice shade tree here. There's several people here, several campers.